Okay, call Lieutenant Jennifer Robinson.
Lieutenant Robinson, come forward. Watch your step. Stand right here, face down, and raise your right hand.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Please have a seat and watch your step.
Good afternoon, Lieutenant.
Good afternoon.
You could please state your name and spell it for the court reporter and
Jennifer Robinson, Jennifer, Robinson.
are you captain now?
No, I'm lieutenant.
Lieutenant, okay. You work at Memphis Police Department, correct?
Yes, sir.
How long have you worked there?
28 and a half years.
What were your assigned? What's your assignment now?
Now I'm back in uniform patrol over at one of the midnight shifts at Front Station, which is in Midtown.
What time did you get off work last night?
But last night I didn't have to go to work. Tonight I go in
Okay.
at 9 p.m.
What were you assigned to back on February 2nd of 2022?
Back then I worked in homicide.
Okay. How long have you been working in homicide back then?
What year did you say?
2022, February 2nd.
Okay, I went there April of 2021.
Okay. Did you get, do you remember getting a call to perform some tasks on a homicide involving Danielle Hoyle and Kennedy Hoyle as victims?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we talked a little bit, you went out to a couple places to retrieve some video, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember where that was specifically?
Well, the first place I went to was Mr. Isabelle's parents' house
Okay.
in Cordova. And
Did
then,
you just-
I'm sorry.
Oh, you did.
And then later we went to a Walgreens here in Memphis.
And you helped retrieve, we've seen video from both those locations. Were you assisting in retrieving that video and reviewing it?
Yes, sir.
But what I really want to talk to you about was what you were doing back here where's the homicide office?
Oh, 170 North Main.
Okay. Tell the jury about what was going on February 2nd at 170 North Main as it pertains to the investigation of the homicides.
Well, once Mr. Isabelle was taken from his parents' house down to the office at 170 North Main, two of my partners went in and started interviewing him regarding the incident that had taken place. So I was doing various tasks at my desk while they were doing the interview.
As they're interviewing him, are they asking you to do things, confirm things, or that sort of stuff?
Well, yes, it's more of an interactive, and when they receive information, they'll relay it to us so that we can assist in progressing the investigation forward.
And as you recall, what was one of the main things that you guys were concerned about when you were at 170 investigating this case?
Finding the baby.
Okay. Did at some point you get some information, you and your team, get some information about where the baby might be?
Yes, we were told that he took the baby in the car seat and placed it down by the river.
Okay. What did you guys do when you learned that information?
We got in the car and went straight down there.
Was it mostly just at this point just the homicide team?
Yes, I thought it was. It was just our team. Like the other team had come to work as well because now it was daytime. I started this at like 2 o'clock in the morning, but by the time it was daytime, the other homicide team had come in. So when we got that information, we immediately got to the cars and went on down there because it was supposed to be near that park,
Okay.
the park that's right there at the river. So we went down there, parked, got out, and just started walking around looking. And while we were doing that, a whole bunch of MPD marked units showed up. They all had the blue lights and sirens on. So I guess the information that got out, you know, and we needed more assistance because it's a big area if you're on foot.
Okay. And what were you hoping to find when you went down there? Did you have an honest hope that you would find something?
Yes, I hoped that we would find the baby sitting in the car seat.
Okay. What did you, if you could describe what it looked like down there, what it was like when you went down there looking for baby Kennedy?
Well, before that, I had only gone to that little park. So you park and you walk around. It's a parking lot. It's got little walking trails and grass. But when he said he put it down by the river, that's when I had to go down, a part I'd never been before. I mean, it's got a lot of rocks down there. I mean, rocks bigger than my head. Gravel, mud, overgrown stuff, trash, debris. Uh, Just, it's not safe at all to be down there walking around.
Was, what was like the coloring and what was the area like that morning?
Well, although it was daytime, it was severely overcast, so it was real gloomy looking and gray. And then the area down there, everything's either brown or gray, and the rocks are gray. And it was raining and windy and cold. And so the rocks are slippery, and then the mud, you don't know if it's like ground or if you're gonna step in it, just goes, get hurt down there.
And something caught your eye.
Oh, yeah. Well, of course, we were looking for the baby, and then there was just so much trash and debris down there. But after a while, I don't even know how long I was down there, because there's little, I don't know what you might call them, inlets. Like once you stop at the park part, then there's a boat ramp, and then there's more trash, debris, trees, overgrowth, and then there's another kind of boat ramp that's more overgrown, and then when you keep on walking around, it's like a little inlet. Now, like you would think the river would just go like this, but no, there's like a little inlet where you can walk back there and just find all kinds of stuff, I guess. But I found the little baby hat.
And what about it stood out to you?
Well, it was just sitting right on top of the overgrowth and debris, and it wasn't grass, but it's like weeds that are dead.
I'm gonna put up what's been previously been marked, I believe is exhibit 4 or 95. And you indicated that its brightness and cleanness kind of stuck out to you?
Yes, because it was like in pristine order. And it's just a stark contrast to everything else that you see down there. How everything is dead, like the leaves are dead, the grass is dead.
Was there anything sitting on top of it when you saw it?
No.
You were the first person that found it, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And that's the way it was when you found it, correct?
Yes.
When you found it, what did you think? And what did you do?
I thought we're not going to find the baby. We're not going to find it. I'm sorry.
Okay. And the process at that point is to do what? You call someone to tag the photograph and tag it?
Yeah. As you can imagine, that was terrible. So I was telling the people that were around me, because I mean, we were just fanning out, just wandering everywhere, just looking. And then I stayed by it and tried to get my lieutenant's attention. He was up near in the parking lot area, and of course he didn't understand what I was trying to say, because I mean, how do you say something like that? So I believe I called him on the phone, and I just stayed there for a while.
Okay.
It was terrible.
And this information, your find, what you found out there on that boat ramp, did you relay that to Sergeant Boyd and Winbush, or was it relayed to them?
It was relayed to them. I didn't tell them.
Okay. Thank you. No further questions for today.
No questions, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.